Hello, Money Nation! Today, we embark on an exciting journey with a game-changing topic: how to get your first 100K. Start doing this in 2024. Before we dive in, make sure to hit that like button, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to Money Nation for more invaluable insights. Now let's unlock the secrets to financial success. 1. Setting financial goals for 2024. As we step into the new year, the first crucial step towards financial success is setting clear goals for 2024. Grab a notepad, sit down, and visualize your aspirations. Whether it's purchasing a home, eradicating debt, or investing in a passion project, your goals will be the guiding stars of your financial journey. Make them specific, realistic, and aligned with your long-term vision. By crafting a clear roadmap, you're setting yourself up for success. Consider breaking down your goals into short-term and long-term objectives. Short-term goals can include creating an emergency fund or paying off a specific debt, while long-term goals might involve saving for retirement or starting your own business. The key is to be proactive and intentional about your financial future. Remember, clarity in your goals will serve as the foundation for the rest of your financial strategies. With your goals in hand, take the time to analyze the necessary steps to achieve them. This might involve cutting unnecessary expenses, increasing your income through side hustles, or exploring investment opportunities. Think of your financial goals as a puzzle, each piece representing a step you need to take. The more meticulous you are in planning, the smoother your journey towards your first 100 will be. Once your goals are set, make it a habit to revisit and reassess them periodically. Life is dynamic, and your financial goals may need adjustments along the way. By staying flexible and responsive to changes, you're ensuring that your financial roadmap remains relevant and effective throughout the year. Setting and refining your goals is the first significant stride towards achieving your first 100 in 2024. 2. Embracing the power of budgeting. If financial goals are the destination, then budgeting is the roadmap that gets you there. In 2024, commit to crafting a meticulous budget that sheds light on your income, expenses, and savings ambitions. This isn't about restricting yourself, it's about understanding where every dollar goes. A well-crafted budget is the foundation for smart financial decisions. Remember, it's not just about making money, it's about keeping and growing it too. Begin by assessing your current financial situation. Track your income sources and categorize your expenses into fixed and variable costs. Fixed costs include essential expenses like rent or mortgage payments, utilities, and insurance. Variable costs, on the other hand, encompass discretionary spending on things like entertainment, dining out, and non-essential purchases. Understanding the breakdown of your finances is the first step towards effective budgeting. With a clear understanding of your income and expenses, establish realistic spending limits for each category. This allows you to prioritize necessities while identifying areas where you can cut back or optimize spending. Consider using budgeting tools and apps to streamline this process. These tools can provide insights into your spending patterns, track your progress, and even suggest areas for potential savings. Remember, a budget is a dynamic tool that requires regular review and adjustment. As circumstances change throughout the year, be ready to tweak your budget accordingly. The goal is not just to stick to a budget for the sake of it, but to use it as a powerful tool for financial empowerment. With a well-crafted budget in place, you'll be better equipped to allocate resources strategically and inch closer to your first 100 in 2024. Exploring new income streams. The pursuit of your first 100 is not solely about saving, but also about expanding your income horizons. In 2024, commit to exploring new income streams beyond the confines of your primary job. This could involve delving into freelancing, exploring side gigs, or perhaps taking the plunge into entrepreneurship. The gig economy is thriving, and with a dash of creativity and determination, you can discover revenue streams you never thought possible. Start by assessing your skills and identifying areas where you can offer your expertise on a freelance basis. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or even local freelancing communities can be excellent starting points. Additionally, consider turning your hobbies or passions into potential income sources. Whether it's graphic design, writing, or crafting, there might be a market waiting for your unique talents. Side gigs are another avenue worth exploring. This could range from part-time consulting in your field of expertise to driving for a rideshare service, or even renting out a spare room on platforms like Airbnb. The key is to diversify your income sources, creating a financial safety net, and accelerating your journey towards your first 100K. Embrace the opportunities that align with your skills and interests. For those with an entrepreneurial spirit, 2024 might be the year to kickstart your own business venture. This could be anything from an online store to a consulting agency, depending on your passion and expertise. While the initial stages may require dedication and hard work, the potential for long-term financial rewards can be substantial. Keep in mind that exploring new income streams is about opening doors and building resilience in your financial portfolio. 4. Investing wisely in 2024. As your savings grow, the next logical step towards your first 100 is making your money work for you through strategic investments. In 2024, consider delving into various investment opportunities such as the stock market, real estate, or the dynamic world of cryptocurrency. However, exercising caution and knowledge is paramount. Before venturing into any investment, conduct thorough research and, if needed, seek guidance from financial professionals. The stock market remains one of the most accessible avenues for investment. Consider building a diversified portfolio of stocks, bonds, and other securities. Research individual companies, industries, and market trends to make informed decisions. If the stock market seems daunting, consider exploring investment apps and robo-advisors that offer user-friendly platforms and automated investment strategies. Real estate presents another compelling investment option. Whether it's residential or commercial properties, real estate has historically proven to be a valuable asset. Research local markets, consider factors like property appreciation and rental yields, and explore financing options. Real estate investment trusts, REITs, provide a way to invest in real estate without the hassle of property management. The cryptocurrency market, while relatively young, has gained significant traction in recent years. Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other altcoins have seen substantial growth. However, the volatility of the crypto market requires careful consideration. Educate yourself on blockchain technology, understand the risks involved, and consider consulting with experts before venturing into this space. Cryptocurrency can be a high-risk, high-reward investment. 5. Leveraging technology for financial growth. In the digital age, technology is a powerful ally on your journey to financial growth. In 2024, make the most of technological advancements to streamline your financial management. Budgeting apps like Mint or YNAB can help you track your expenses, set financial goals, and provide real-time insights into your financial health. Additionally, investment platforms like Robinhood or Wealthfront offer user-friendly interfaces, making it easier than ever to start investing with just a few taps on your smartphone. Explore online courses and educational platforms to enhance your financial literacy. Websites like Investopedia, Khan Academy, or Coursera offer a plethora of courses on personal finance, investing, and economic principles. By investing time in learning, you empower yourself to make informed financial decisions. In 2024, let technology be your financial assistant, helping you make smarter choices and accelerating your progress towards your first 100K. 6. Networking and mentorship. In the realm of personal finance, connections are often as valuable as currency. In 2024, prioritize networking and seek mentorship to enrich your financial journey. Attend local meetups, join online forums, and connect with individuals who share similar financial goals. Networking not only opens doors to potential opportunities, but also exposes you to diverse perspectives and insights that can positively impact your financial decisions. Consider seeking mentorship from someone who has achieved the financial success you aspire to reach. A mentor can provide guidance, share valuable experiences, and offer advice tailored to your specific situation. Whether it's a seasoned professional in your industry or a successful entrepreneur, A mentor can be a source of inspiration and a valuable asset on your journey to your first 100K. Remember, learning from others' experiences can be a shortcut to success. Regardless of the investment avenue you choose, maintaining a long-term perspective is crucial. Investments are not get-rich-quick schemes, but rather vehicles for wealth accumulation over time. Congratulations, Money Nation! You've just embarked on a comprehensive journey towards your first 100K in 2024. If you found this information invaluable, don't forget to hit that like button. Share this video with your friends and subscribe to Money Nation for your regular dose of financial wisdom. Your journey to financial success starts with small, consistent steps. Thank you for joining us, and until next time, stay financially savvy.